Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome back to English class with Mr. Fizri. Okay, selamat datang ke kelas Bahasa Inggeris bersama Mr. Fizri. Okay, so today is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Sunday. Ahad. 24th October 2021. 24 hari bulan 10. Tahun 2021. Alright, so today, as you can see here, this is what we call food. Food, okay, makanan. Alright, so we have apple, pizza, broccoli, cupcake, orange, milk, and grapes. Okay, so today, we will answer questions on page 10. Okay, page 10. Muka surat 10 in your pink module. Okay, module berwarna merah jambu. Alright, so here are the names of the food. Okay, nama-nama makanan. And then you have to look at the pictures and write the name of the food. Tengok gambar dan tulis nama makanan. Okay, so now we will read first, the answers first. Okay, cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Okay, cake in bahasa Melayu, cake. S-A-U-S-A-G-E-S, sausages, sausages. Sausages adalah sausage. Okay, next, P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Pizza. Pizza is pizza, right? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Orange juice. Okay, juice orange, juice buah orange. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Coconut. Coconut is kelapa. S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H-E-S, sandwiches. Sandwiches adalah sandwich, roti sandwich. Okay, so next, S-T-E-A-K, steak. Steak. Okay, steak adalah daging yang dipanggang. Okay, daging lembu yang dipanggang adalah steak. Okay, next, C-O-R-N, corn. Corn is jagung. Jagung. Okay, now let's look at questions number 1. Amy likes. Okay, Amy suka. Okay, look at this. What is this? Bentuk segitiga, dia ada roti, and then dia ada letak salad and apa-apalah dalam dia. Okay, what is the name of the food? Okay, so I tell you the answer for number 1 is sandwiches. Okay, sandwiches, this one. Okay, so you write sandwiches here. Okay, so number 1 dah tahu jawapan, very easy. And then number 2, John likes for breakfast. John suka makan apa semasa breakfast, sarapan. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, number 3, I like, saya suka. Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this? Number 4, she is eating a piece of. Okay, dia makan sepotong. What is this? Right. And then number 5, he drinks in the morning. He drinks in the morning. Okay, dia minum apa semasa pagi? Okay, dia ada buah orange and then dia ada air orange. What is this? Okay, number 6, he sells water. Dia jual air. Air apa yang dia jual? Okay, this one. Apa ni? Buah apa ni? What fruit is this? Okay, number 7, I like to eat. Okay, saya suka makan. What is this? Apa ni? Nama what fruit is this? Okay, number 8, I don't like. I don't like. Saya tak suka. What is this? Ni sekeping daging yang dibakar. Apakah nama makanan ini? Alright, so I tell you again, this is on page 10. Okay, page 10. Muka surat 10 di dalam modul berwarna pink. Okay, so I hope you can answer the questions, jawab, and then you take picture and send to me. Okay, dah siap jawab, tulis elok-elok, cantik-cantik dan hantar. Okay, kalau tak sempat hantar pagi, boleh hantar petang atau malam. Okay, yang penting kehadiran kena isi dulu menggunakan Google Form yang diberikan. Okay, so that's all for today and see you again tomorrow. And goodbye.